Hello and welcome to this checkmate into chess puzzle. You can see that black has the king, a bishop, a knight and 3 pawns, but white has 2 bishops, the queen and the rook. There's one possible checkmate in 2 for white. So pause the video if you want some time to work it out, and then we'll have a look at the solutions. If you check the king by moving your queen to c4, the king has an escape square. And then check the king again, but the king can move into the corner, and then you just get the mate in 3 by moving your bishop to c3. If you attack the king with your rook, it's not a mate in 2 unless black takes your bishop. So then you can move the queen in to get the mate in 2. Similarly, if black moves down to d1, you can move the queen in for the mate in 2. But instead, black move away to b2. Now when you move the queen over, the king still has an escape square, so you just get the mate in 3. Checking the king with a bishop is only a mate in 3, but not 2. The king can move to b2. You can then move the queen over to check the king, but the king has an escape square, and then you just get the mate in 3 with the rook. There's another mate in 3, but not 2, by taking the bishop with your queen. Black does something like take back your bishop with their pawn. You can then sort of do a reveal check with the queen, but the king can move down to c1, and then you can mate in just 3 with the rook. Okay, let's take a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your queen to b4. If black does something like take the bishop with their knight to attack the queen, you can just move the queen down to b3 to get the mate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.